as you fade away.
Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Lx Nylons. Red Heart Hash. Today is a very special video, because we are celebrating 1,000 subscribers on our channel. Party popper from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to every member of our Lx Nylons family. Your support, likes, comments, and love mean everything. This journey is growing because of all of you, and I'm truly grateful to have such an amazing family here. And today, we're talking about the beautiful fashion inspiration of Kate Real, whose style brings together confidence, elegance, nylon stockings, and the timeless charm of high heels. Fashion is not only about what we wear, it is also about confidence and the way we express ourselves. Kate Real's elegant looks show how classic fashion can remain stylish and inspiring. From sophisticated outfits to feminine styling, her fashion presence creates a graceful and timeless impression. Nylon stockings have always been considered a classic fashion element. When combined with elegant outfits and high heels, they can create a polished and confident look. High heels add posture, elegance, and a distinctive touch that has remained popular throughout generations. What makes timeless elegance so special is simplicity. You don't always need an extravagant outfit to look stylish. A classic dress, elegant stockings, beautiful heels, and confidence can create a look that feels both modern and timeless. Kate Real's fashion style is a wonderful example of feminine elegance and self-expression. Whether it is a casual indoor look, a fashionable outfit, or a glamorous style, confidence remains the most important part of every appearance. At Lx Nylons, we love exploring fashion inspiration, elegant styling, nylon fashion, high heels, and the unique personalities behind these beautiful looks. And once again, a huge thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Confetti Ball Red Heart Hash. This is not just my celebration, it belongs to our entire Lx Nylons family. Thank you to everyone who subscribed, watched our videos, liked, commented, and supported us from the beginning. This is only the beginning of our journey, and I hope we continue to grow together, create better videos, and build an even stronger Lx Nylons family. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for being part of the Lx Nylons family. See you in the next video. Red Heart Hash Sparkles.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and